Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick review about this two AI website called Assistive, and the other AI website is called InVideo. So InVideo is an AI video generator that helps you generate videos and also create a voiceover with AI script. So that's one thing about two platforms. So let's get started. So Assistive is a website that allows you to write in assistance, also content generation, summarization, code generation, debug, and also it has a couple of features that I can use so when I'm ready to make full payment. Alright, so that's that about the website. So let's get started with the Assistive website. The website comes with a wide range of benefits. So let's get started with Assistive. So Assistive is AI tools which have a brainstorm body available 24/7. So it helps you write stories, generate content ideas, and even tackle coding projects in some cases. So this platform can be used for different and a wide range of tasks. Can use it for code generation, can use it for content, and a lot more. So let's check from here now. So let me give you key important benefits of this AI website called Assistive. It gives unlimited AI generations which help you create videos without limit and explore countless ideas. So it gives 100+ language supported, which break down language barriers and connect with a global audience. So it gives a lot of to also ensure a range of originality and maintain the credibility, which is super okay. So that's not much about this website. Here is the benefit or the advantages of this website. It is very affordable, it is very highly versatile, it's also a great for collaboration and also financing. It's excellent value. And here's the downside of the website. If it can feel repetitive, along the line, and also lack visual focus, and also you need to be more attractive. So it needs to be more accurate rather. So which is super amazing about this website right here. It also uses for wide range of different things. So let's get started with this website. The trial and assistive chat. So you also get access to assistive chat where you can simply chat or talk to a bot. Yes, you can simply chat with a bot. So try to access the chatbot available. Alright, let's focus on the review of the two website. So now introducing highly capable model assistants that can remember context across conversation. So this AI tools can help you keep information, can hold information for you, and also you can creative program for creators to explore the creativity which the boundaries of generating video. So here are the latest update about the users on the platform. So they also provide the time to time update for their platform so that it can run effortless without the stress like that. So let's get back to the other website called AI Video Generator. It's called InVideo AI. So you want to generate a video with just a single text. This website is for you. It's also help you, make a video with just a single text, and it also has a lot of key features. So the platform is packed with huge features and tools to help create a professional quality videos. So which InVideo is currently going to do that for you. Now let's get access to the glitch of the video. You can simply use one of the tools that is available to claim the glitch and a lot more like that. It also extends a good benefit of using this website. Gain access to huge template library, intuitive video editors, collaboration features, and a lot more. But these two websites called website called Assistive and InVideo. So that's it. Now we're gonna check through the key features of this website. So starting from here, just click on the InVideo AI. So from here you can get access to AI Video Generator. So just input your text, then AI will continue the remaining work from you. So that's it. Under the features, you have the AI Video Generator, AI Image Generator, animation, and also you get access to link to videos, and a lot more. Link to videos, movie maker, AI video themes generator, TikToks, account maker, AI clip generator, YouTube short maker, AI subtitles generator, and a lot more, which is super cool. All these tools can be used to make a professional video without stress. Yeah. So that's it. So find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section which of these two websites think is best for you to use and safer for you to use in 2025. Thank you.